My name is Jeremiah Dockery. I'm the shop manager here for Covenant Logistics in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I run the day-to-day operations here for about 60 plus mechanics and technicians and staff members. My experience with DClimate started probably late 2018, 2019. We had two brand new trucks that we worked with DClimate to install. We actually physically went through the full install here in the terminal in Chattanooga, so we kind of got to see the inner workings of all of the pieces that made the DClimate part that we have on our trucks today. At Covenant, we're always looking for opportunities to be more efficient. Over the course of the last 16 years of my career here at Covenant, I have seen a lot of different types of APUs. DClimate has stood out to be one of the better ones that I have been around in those years. If the batteries are fully charged, the diesel engine's not having to run, and the driver is going to be able to sleep with a lot less noise. I think the driver felt noise in the cab would be a lot less with a DClimate APU as versus not having an APU or having a diesel APU. Since we've been testing and using the DClimates, I've been really impressed with their technology, with their service centers, with their training department. Any parts that we've had fail, we got them overnight, and if there's anything that we continue to see, they have allowed us to either keep in stock or have extras of so that we can keep our units going. When it comes to maintaining the DClimate units itself, the only maintenance is basically a filter. Very easy to get to. I'd say within 30 seconds you could have the filter changed out. My professional opinion, if I was looking to add an electric APU, I would highly consider using DClimate.